Hi everyone, welcome to Daphenity. Today we are at Disney Adventure. Here is a newer attraction, the Spider-Man web slinger. This is Avenger Assemble. And Doctor Strange as well. Jamins Chefs show. Chip and Dale are my favorite characters. I would never miss this one, The Little Mermaid. Do you want to know how beautiful California is? Come to Soarin over California. This is a special benefit for Disney credit card holders. Long time no see, Elsa and Anna. Spider-Man is kind of crazy with jumping.
Okay, try to run some tests.
Wow, he jumped over the building. A little game with superhero. The line is long but worth to wait. I love it. Inside Out Emotional Whirlwind. It is nice to meet Woody at Toy Story Land. My arm gets sore after this game. I enjoy the Light Festival music. Turkey Lake is my favorite. See what I got from Cozy Cone Motel. I saved the best for last. Radiator Springs Racers. What an amazing water performance. It is called World of Color. What a fun day I had in Disney Adventure. Thank you for watching Daphenity. Bye!